Pickup trucks have become more than just workhorses. They're daily drivers, adventure vehicles, and even status symbols. With millions sold every year, they remain one of the most popular vehicle choices in the world. So, how do you know which ones are worth your money? That's where we come in. In this video, we're breaking down 7 of the worst and 8 of the best pickup trucks to buy in 2025 based on reliability, value, and overall performance. But before we proceed, make sure to hit the like button if you love trucks and want more content like this. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Stick around so you don't make a costly mistake. The 7 worst pickup trucks of 2025. Number 7. Honda Ridgeline. The Honda Ridgeline has always been different from other trucks, but not in a good way. Instead of a traditional body-on-frame design like most pickups, it uses a unibody construction, which makes it drive more like an SUV. While that sounds great for comfort, it significantly reduces its ability to handle real truck duties. It lacks the durability needed for heavy towing and serious off-roading. Compared to its rivals, it has a lower payload capacity, which limits its usefulness for hauling. Off-road, it struggles on rough terrain where traditional mid-sized trucks like the Toyota Tacoma and Ford Ranger excel. The Ridgeline is great for people who want a truck for daily driving and light work, but anyone needing real capability will find it disappointing. Number 6. 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. The 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 HD is built for heavy-duty work, but serious mechanical issues make it a risky purchase. The 6.6-liter Duramax diesel engine has been known to have fuel system problems, including fuel injector failures and high-pressure pump malfunctions. These issues are not only common, but also expensive to repair. The 10-speed automatic transmission, which was supposed to provide smoother shifts and better towing performance, has had ongoing complaints about rough shifting, delayed engagement, and occasional gear slipping. On long trips, the ride quality is stiff and uncomfortable, especially when the truck is unloaded. Compared to competitors, the interior feels outdated, with hard plastics and an uninspired design. With so many reliability concerns and a less refined driving experience, buyers looking for a heavy-duty truck are better off considering a Ford Super Duty or Ram 2500. Number 5. Toyota Tundra. The Toyota Tundra has built a reputation for reliability, but the latest generation has struggled to live up to expectations. In 2025, Toyota continues to use a twin-turbo V6 instead of the old V8, and many owners are already complaining about turbo lag, rough acceleration, and concerns over long-term reliability. The 10-speed automatic transmission has been another weak point, with jerky shifts and sluggish response, especially under load. Toyota's decision to use a coil spring suspension instead of traditional leaf springs has improved ride comfort, but it has also made the truck feel less stable when carrying heavy loads. For a full-size truck with a starting price over $40,000, many buyers expected better performance and fewer issues. While Toyota still has a strong reputation, the Tundra's latest version doesn't quite live up to the brand's high standards. Number 4. Nissan Titan. The Nissan Titan has been struggling to compete with other full-size trucks for years, and Nissan has finally pulled the plug. With 2024 being its final model year, there will be no new Titans in 2025. This raises serious concerns for anyone considering buying one, as discontinued vehicles tend to suffer from parts shortages and declining resale value. Beyond its uncertain future, the Titan has always lagged behind its rivals in performance and features. While the 5.6-liter V8 is powerful, it is one of the least fuel-efficient engines in its class, getting just 13 to 15 miles per gallon in real-world driving. Its towing capacity, maxing out at 9,300 pounds, is far behind trucks like the Ford F-150 and Chevy Silverado, which can handle over 13,000 pounds. The interior also feels outdated, lacking the advanced technology and premium materials found in newer Ford, Ram, and Chevy trucks. With so many better choices available, the Titan simply isn't worth the investment. Number 3. Jeep Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator tries to combine Jeep's legendary off-road capability with the practicality of a pickup truck, But in reality, it fails to do either well. It uses a solid front axle, which makes it great for rock crawling, but awful for daily driving. On the road, it feels bouncy, unstable, and rough, making highway travel uncomfortable. Wind noise is another major issue, and at high speeds, the cabin can get extremely loud. As a pickup, it doesn't impress either. The maximum towing capacity of 7,700 pounds is underwhelming compared to other mid-sized trucks. On top of that, owners have reported frequent reliability issues, ranging from electrical failures to transmission problems and weak front axles that struggle under stress. The Gladiator is a niche vehicle, but unless you absolutely need a truck that looks like a Wrangler, there are much better options. Number 2. Ram 2500. The Ram 2500 is a powerful heavy-duty truck with impressive towing capabilities, but it comes with some serious flaws that make it a bad investment. One of its biggest weaknesses is the 68 RFE automatic transmission paired with the 6.7-liter Cummins diesel engine. Owners have frequently reported overheating issues, slipping gears, and even full transmission failures, which can cost thousands of dollars to repair. Ride quality is another issue, as the stiff leaf spring suspension makes for a rough and bouncy experience when the truck is unloaded. While the Ram 2500 is undeniably powerful, these issues make it a risky choice. Anyone looking for a more reliable heavy-duty truck should take a serious look at the Ford Super Duty lineup instead. Number 1. 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. At the top of the list, the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD is the worst truck to buy this year due to its costly reliability issues. The 6.6-liter Duramax diesel engine, while powerful on paper, has been plagued with fuel injector failures and high-pressure fuel pump issues, both of which are extremely expensive to fix. The 10-speed Allison transmission has also been a point of concern, with owners reporting harsh shifts, delayed gear engagement, and occasional transmission slipping, especially when towing heavy loads. The cabin doesn't help matters either. Noise levels inside are higher than in competing trucks, and the ride quality is noticeably stiff and uncomfortable. Compared to a Ford F-250 or a Ram 3500, the Silverado 2500 HD simply doesn't hold up in terms of reliability, comfort, or overall value. With better alternatives available, this is one truck that buyers should steer clear of in 2025. Before we get into the 8 best pickup trucks of 2025, take a second to hit the like button if you're enjoying the video so far. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews, rankings, and car buying tips. Now, let's jump into the best trucks you can buy in 2025. The 8 best pickup trucks of 2025. Number 8. Ineos Grenadier Quartermaster. The Ineos Grenadier Quartermaster is one of the newest names in the pickup truck world, but it's already making a big impact. Designed for extreme off-road adventures, this truck is all about rugged durability. It features a classic body-on-frame construction, giving it the strength needed to handle tough terrain. Under the hood, it's powered by a BMW-sourced turbocharged inline-6 engine, providing both power and reliability. Unlike modern trucks that focus on luxury and technology, the Grenadier Quartermaster keeps things simple. The interior is built with durable, easy-to-clean materials, making it perfect for those who actually use their trucks for work and adventure. While it might not have the same tech-heavy features as competitors, its uncompromising toughness makes it one of the best choices for off-road enthusiasts. Number 7. Volkswagen Amarok. The Volkswagen Amarok is a mid-sized truck that blends capability with refinement. Built on the same platform as the new Ford Ranger, the Amarok takes everything great about Ford's design and adds a more premium European touch. The result is a truck that feels more upscale inside, with a well-designed cabin and high-quality materials. For those who need both power and efficiency, the Amarok comes with an available turbo diesel engine that delivers strong torque and excellent fuel economy. Advanced safety features and modern technology make it one of the most well-rounded trucks in its class. If you want a mid-size pickup that offers great performance while maintaining a comfortable and stylish interior, the Amarok is a top choice. Number 6. Toyota Hilux. The Toyota Hilux has built a legendary reputation for durability, and the 2025 model continues to uphold that legacy. Known for being nearly indestructible, this truck has been the go-to choice for those who need reliability in the toughest conditions. Its diesel powertrain provides strong low-end torque, making it ideal for hauling heavy loads and tackling rough terrain. Built for both work and off-road adventures, the Hilux features a reinforced frame, advanced suspension, and high ground clearance. Whether it's used on a farm, at a construction site, or for overlanding, the Hilux is designed to last for decades. If you need a truck that won't let you down, this is it. Number 5. Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 continues to be one of the best full-size trucks on the market, and 2025 is no different. What sets the Ram apart is its smooth ride quality. Thanks to its coil spring rear suspension, which provides a more comfortable driving experience than traditional leaf springs. For those who need power, the Ram 1500 offers an available 5.7-liter Hemi V8 with e-torque, a mild hybrid system that improves fuel efficiency while maintaining strong performance. With a towing capacity of up to 12,750 pounds, this truck is more than capable of handling tough jobs. Inside, the Ram 1500 is one of the most luxurious trucks in its class, featuring a massive 12-inch touchscreen, premium materials, and advanced technology. Whether you need it for work or daily driving, the Ram 1500 strikes the perfect balance between power, comfort, and style. Number 4. Ford Ranger. The Ford Ranger has solidified its reputation as one of the best mid-sized trucks on the market. The 2025 model continues to improve, offering a well-rounded mix of performance, technology, and off-road capability. For those who love adventure, the Raptor trim takes things to another level. It features a twin-turbocharged engine, long travel suspension, and rugged all-terrain tires, making it one of the best off-road pickups in its class. Beyond its off-road capabilities, the Ranger is also a great daily driver. It comes with a tech-heavy interior featuring a large infotainment screen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and advanced driver assistance features. Whether you're using it for work, commuting, or weekend adventures, the Ranger delivers on all fronts. Another reason why it's a smart buy is its strong resale value and reliability, making it an investment that holds up over time. Number 3. 2025 GMC Sierra 1500. If you want all the strengths of the Chevrolet Silverado 1500, but with a more premium feel, then the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 is the truck for you. Built on the same platform as the Silverado, the Sierra offers powerful engine options, including the 3-liter Duramax diesel, known for its excellent fuel efficiency and towing capability. Whether you need it for heavy hauling or long road trips, this truck delivers on performance without sacrificing comfort. One of the standout features of the Sierra 1500 is the high-end Denali trim, which rivals luxury SUVs in interior quality. It includes premium leather seats, real wood accents, and an advanced infotainment system that makes driving feel like a first-class experience. Strong reliability and a reputation for longevity make this truck a solid choice for those who want both power and luxury. Number 2. Ford F-150. The Ford F-150 has been America's best-selling truck for decades, and it's easy to see why. It continues to set the benchmark for power, versatility, and innovation. In 2025, Ford is giving buyers more options than ever, with multiple powertrain choices, including a fuel-efficient hybrid and an all-electric Lightning version for those looking to go green without sacrificing performance. What truly separates the F-150 from the competition is its best-in-class towing capacity, reaching up to 14,000 pounds when properly equipped. Whether you're hauling trailers, boats, or heavy loads for work, the F-150 gets the job done with ease. On top of that, Ford has introduced smart features like Pro Power Onboard, which allows the truck to function as a mobile generator, perfect for job sites or camping trips. Inside, the F-150 offers a comfortable, modern cabin with a large touchscreen, digital gauge cluster, and premium materials in higher trims. With its mix of power, tech, and dependability, the F-150 remains one of the best all-around trucks you can buy. Number 1. 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 takes the top spot as the best pickup truck of the year. It delivers the perfect balance of power, efficiency, and advanced technology, making it a go-to choice for truck buyers. Under the hood, buyers can choose between a powerful 6.2-liter V8 for maximum performance or a 3.0-liter Duramax diesel for fuel efficiency. No matter the engine choice, the Silverado is built to handle any job, whether it's towing, off-roading, or daily commuting. One of its biggest strengths is the spacious, tech-tacked cabin. It features a massive 13.4-inch touchscreen, wireless smartphone connectivity, and a fully digital instrument cluster, giving it one of the most modern interiors in the segment. The high-strength steel frame and advanced suspension ensure a smooth and stable ride, even when carrying heavy loads. Another reason why the Silverado is the best truck to buy in 2025 is its proven reliability and excellent resale value. Over the years, it has built a strong reputation for longevity, making it a smart financial investment for truck owners. With a perfect combination of performance, durability, and cutting-edge features, the Silverado 1500 is the ultimate pickup truck of the year. That's our list of the 7 worst and 8 best pickup trucks for 2025 based on reliability and value. Which truck surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, pick the like button to support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car reviews and buying guides. For more eye-opening insights, check out our video on Don't Fall for These 34 Car Myths. You'll be surprised at what's fact and what's fiction in the car world.